It's just so pretty. Like, this hair is so pretty. I kid you not. I kid you not. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kylie Michelle, and today I'm going to be unboxing a synthetic wig that I got from Amazon, and I'm super excited. I'm super excited to show you guys. So we're just going to jump right into it. This is the packaging. It's super cute. It's black and white, my favorite colors, and the brand is Joedir or Joedir, something of that nature. Probably butchering that because that's what I do. So we're just gonna pop the box open. It comes with a wig cap, and I need one of these, and I love that this is color because this color is honestly so hard to find. It's like more of the medium brown color. Cannot find this like in my local beauty supply stores, and I needed one of these to do this wig, so I really appreciate that. So this is how it's packaged in the box. Super cute. And just regular. And then it has the hair net and all that goodies. I have my hair in braids already. It just took me mad long to do it, but whatever. It is pretty. Are you sure this is synthetic? Girl, this is real nice. Okay. And this hair, I believe this hair is 30 inches, and it's like a water wave. It don't feel like it's synthetic at all. So, yep, 100% synthetic hair. So what I'm gonna do is basically just put this wig cap on real quick. Wig cap is on. So let me show you the entire. So this is also a lace front. I don't think I said that, but the thing is, it's just a middle part lace, and then there's lace around the edges, and then there's combs inside as well, and a little adjustable band. So I just want to throw this on to see how much I'm. Okay, so I was watching other reviews, and they said this is not big head friendly, and it is not, which is I like because I have a small head, like tiny, so it fits my head perfectly. Oh, hello. Okay, I like it. Hold on, let me grab my mirror over here. Let me see. Part's not bad at all. It's a deep part as well. I think it's like 4 inches. I have my measuring tape. Let's see. My measuring tape right here. Let's measure this bad boy. Yeah, 4 inches apart. I really don't have to customize it that much. I'm just gonna pluck it a little bit because it is a little narrow up here, and then cut the lace off, and I honestly think we're good. So let me go and do that real quick, and then I'll be right back. Yeah, this hair is super soft. It does not feel like it's synthetic at all. I'm here for it. Let me stand up. So this is how far it goes. It goes like all the way down to my hip. Foot length. Let me customize her, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it is a little light on my hairline. So what I basically did was just take my foundation. It's the Fit Me in the color 370, and I'm just gonna grab my mirror real quick. And so what I'm basically just gonna do is go in and just add some color to that, so it blends a little bit more. See, like over here you guys can see I already did some on this side to make it blend, and I had to clean that off. It's just a free spray. I used the Got To Be to hold it down. So I'm just gonna continue to, that's too much, continue to put a little foundation on the lace so it can blend in with my skin. Maybe I can cut some of that off. And if y'all see white stuff, don't trip, because I'm gonna clean it up after. This is just to get it down for the time being. Yeah, it's really itchy over there. And I left a little bit extra over here because it's not, like, it is small, like I was saying earlier. So for it to fit, I left it. Tap, 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 and my brush. We are pretty much blended for the time being because I'm gonna put makeup on after I get out the shower. But yeah, so I was thinking about plucking it in the sides. The sides are a little thick, but I don't know if I really want to get into that right now because I kind of just want to take this flick. So I might do that tomorrow, but let me just take this down and then show you guys. It's just so pretty. Like, this hair is so pretty. I kid you not. I kid you not. Alright, let me see if I want to do some baby hairs. Let me see. Let me see. I definitely want to. Okay, it's not straight. Where's my comb? My part's a little off. I'm gonna go in with concealer. But y'all, look at how pretty. Like, it's so soft. It don't even feel like a synthetic. And they were saying to, like, where'd that thing go? I didn't read it. I don't have nothing on there. Is there like an instruction manual? No, there's not an instruction manual. But like, from the reviews that I was watching on this wig, she was recommending not to use a brush. This is my go-to brush. I'm gonna clean it because I was using it for my hair. This is my usual go-to. This gold brush I got from Target. It's rose gold brush. I love rose gold tools, hair tools and makeup and beauty tools. But she said use a wide tooth comb if you want to like brush through it. It does. I mean, I am getting some tangles here and there, but it's not nothing major. I think it'll be fine if I just like put some silk drops or something in there. I'm about to just put a little bit in there now. They were also like not recommending sleeping in this wig, but I just like glued it down, so I don't know how it's gonna work. Gently, not a lot. I'm just gonna put that around the nape of my neck and like in the ends, so it can stop it from snagging. And this is just some styling solution silk drops that I got from Ulta. I usually use what's it called, BioSilk, but they didn't have any during the time, so yeah, let me ooh. Okay, so this is what she looks like. I think she's very cute. I don't know, should I do some baby hairs? And you guys can see, well, these lights are mad bright too, but you can see, turn it up to the highest, you can see that there's slight discoloration up here, but once I do my face and stuff, that should blend in a little bit better. I'm thinking, do I want to do some baby hair? I mean, I am a baby hair girl, so let me see. I'm just gonna take some of my Tresemme foam and just gonna bring out. Oh, it already already has some baby hairs. I just want to, you know, fill it out. I think it's really cute, and I'll be back in a couple minutes, okay? Alright, y'all, this is the final look. This is the wig. I don't know what I'm going to name her yet, but I think she's super cute. And this rhinestone headband has just been added to the Kai by Cam store. So if you guys want this cute little piece, make sure you shop in the description below. I think this is really, really good hair. It was only 40 or 50 something dollars. I'll put the direct price on the screen, and I really like it. I am getting some tags, but it is some snags, but it is synthetic, like I said. So that's like, see, well, I also had it braided. Before I got in the shower, so maybe I'm not going to braid it. Maybe I'm just going to twist it instead, so it gets like less knots. But it's not something too wow. I mean, I'm not going to sit and play in my hair all day because I don't want it to be snagging. But I highly recommend this unit if you're looking for something quick and easy. I think this is the perfect unit. Super soft. Love the curl pattern and love the price. So if you guys want it, the link is in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching me today, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.